You know this feeling. You just want to make a stir fry, but you're staring at light soy, dark soy, tamari, and something called seasoning sauce. Today, we are going to demystify the black gold in your fridge. We're going to find out why this stuff used to be made of meat, why a French king drank it like wine, and why half of these bottles are actually lying to you. First off, the biggest plot twist. The original soy sauce contained zero soy. It was actually a smoothie of fermented meat. In ancient China, around 2,000 years ago, preserved food was called jang. It was made of fish, meat, and grain. It was basically a way to keep protein from rotting. But then Buddhism spread. Monks couldn't eat meat, so they needed a hack. They discovered that if you let soybeans rot just right, they release the same savory meat flavor as a dead cow. They literally invented the first plant-based meat substitute. Fast forward to the 1600s, the Dutch started trading this Japanese gold to Europe. It was so expensive that King Louis XIV likely used it at his banquets. That's right, soy sauce was the champagne of the 17th century. So what makes the real stuff taste so good? Meet my friend, the fungus. Real soy sauce relies on a mold called koji. Think of koji as a microscopic chef. He lands on the soybeans and breaks down the proteins into amino acids. It takes 6 months. It's slow. It's art. But corporations, they hate waiting 6 months, so they invented the acid bath. Instead of using mold, they take soy meal and boil it in hydrochloric acid. It explodes the proteins instantly. It takes 2 days instead of 6 months. The problem? It has no smell, so they have to add caramel color and corn syrup to fake it. If you see hydrolyzed vegetable protein on the label, put it back. You're eating salty chemistry-set water. Now, regardless of what brand you buy, you've probably seen this bottle. It's actually a piece of modern art designed by a former monk named Kikkoman. But did you know it has a hidden feature? It has a brake pedal. If you cover this hole, the sauce stops. If you let go, it pours. You are the master of the flow. Use this trick on your next date. You're welcome. So go to your fridge right now, flip the bottle. If it lists caramel color, treat yourself to an upgrade. Look for naturally brewed. Life is too short for fake sauce. Thanks for watching and stay salty.